Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Snapstreak, represented by a fire icon, is displayed in any chat thread with your friend who you've snapped with for more than 3 consecutive days within a 24-hour window. It will expire if you stop exchanging snaps within the specified time frame. But don't worry, you can always get it back. In this video, I will show you how to restore the Snapchat streak to your account for free on your mobile device. Let's go. To get started, open Snapchat and go to the Chat feed. When the Snap streak expires, a Restore button will automatically appear next to each chat thread. Just click the button and follow the on-screen instructions to get your Snap streak back. Remember, every Snapchatter is entitled to one free Snap streak restore. Once consumed, you'll be charged a certain amount, which varies by country. However, note that not all Snap streaks are eligible to be restored. Therefore, if you don't see the Restore button, it could either mean that the streak has been expired for a while, or it could be caused by an app glitch. Either way, the best approach is to contact Snapchat support, as only they can restore the streaks. To submit a report, proceed to your Snapchat profile dashboard and go to the Settings page. Scroll to the Support section and tap I Need Help. Pick I Lost My Snap Streak from the list of topics and select the subtopic about how to restore it. Scroll down the article until you see the hyperlinked form. Then fill out the request form with all the necessary details about your concern. A response should arrive within 2 hours at the email address you provided. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.